Chitaha Sarvatma Bhava. So that everything is Chit. The Swarupa of everything is Chit is now being concluded.
Vardhate virudhasyasti Chitcharacharakārini Chidevasi tarannasi Chinmatravidamuthitam. Anvaya. Characharakārini Chit Vardhate Viluthati Asti Chit eva asti Itarat na asti. Idam Chinmatram Uthitam. Again, Characharakārini Chit Vardhate Viluthati Asti Chit eva asti Itarat na asti. Idam Chinmatram Uthitam.
Characharakārini Chit. Chit with Characharakārini, feminine. The one who creates. Kārini means one who does, one who creates, one who makes. The Chit which creates what? Charachara. Mobile and immobile. Charachara word stands for entire Jagat. Charachara Jagat. Characharakārini Chit Vardhate grows in terms of Jagat. Viluthati. Viluthati means moves, rolls in terms of action. See, Jagat being born, it is not stationary. It is always on the move. So that's why it is called Jagat. Jayate gacchati iti Jagat. Born goes, always on the change, the flux. The change is the very nature of the Jagat. That is what nothing but Chit only. Asti. Asti means eat. What is that eat? Bhoga. Bhoktrutva is because of our Chaitanya. Chit only Asti, and therefore the entire Jagat is what? Chit eva asti. It is only Chit and Chit alone. Itarat nasti. See, when we say Chideva asti, there may be some exception, and little may be something. See, everything is there, but me, Jiva may be different from Chit. Nothing, no itarat asti. There is nothing other than Chit. Idam means this means Jagat. This Jagat, Chinmatram Uthitam. It is nothing but Chinmatra, means Jagat is risen from Chit, or this Jagat is nothing but Chinmatra. Uthitam literally means risen, or R-I-S-E-N, rise, rose, risen. So rise, rose, risen, or is. Entire Jagat is. This way, Lord Shiva has answered the question by Vasishtha in the earlier chapter, how everything is Chit. What are the second question? How this Chit, Purna Swarupa, Paramananda Swarupa Chit, free from sorrow, free from samsara, how can it be Jiva? So now let us see what Vasishtha does.
Shri Vasishtha Uvacha Ityuktavan Tadatryakshaha Sunaushusvachaya gira पुनः पृष्टो मया राम सुधांशु स्वच्छया गिरा। अन्वय प्रेक्षः सुधांशु स्वच्छया गिरा इति उक्तवान् तदा राम मया सुधांशु स्वच्छया गिरा पुनः पृष्टः। अगेन प्रेक्षः सुधांशु स्वच्छया गिरा इति उक्तवान् तदा राम मया सुधांशु स्वच्छया गिरा पुनः पृष्टः।
All it means is, when Lord Shiva replied like this in very clear words, I also Rama, I also asked a question in very clear terms. There is nothing much in that. Trakshaha, Tri Akshaha, Trinayanaha, Shiva. You know Trilochana, Trinayana, you know Traksha. Aksha also is eye, three eyes. So Trakshaha, Trinayanaha, Lord Shiva. Sudhanshu Swachhaya Gira. Gira means word, speech. By his speech, what type of speech? Sudhanshu Swachha. Sudhanshu is moon. Moon stands for moonlight. As the moonlight, how it is clear and also pleasing. Scorching sunlight is also disturbing, but this is pleasing. So that's why with very pleasing and clear words, clear speech, Sudhanshu Swachhaya iti uktavan. Iti uktavan means so, told so means here what? So answer my question. So answer question. Then Rama, then what did I do? Rama, Maya, then, tada, then, Rama, O Rama, Maya, by me, Sudhanshu Swachhaya Gira. Maybe there is a phrase possibly. See, in a pleasing word, in a very, means what? In English there is a phrase, unambiguous words. Otherwise, what is answered itself is confusing. You can't clearly understand. Ambiguous means confusing. So, ऐसा भी मीनिंग हो सकता है, वैसा भी मीनिंग हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं. Very definite meaning, very clear answer. So, me or by me also, Sudhanshu Swachhaya Gira Punaha Prashtaha means Lord Shiva was asked again. I asked again to Lord Shiva certain question. Why Punaha? Already he had asked Punaha Prashna. Let us see. Okay. Now keep in mind the question. How everything is Chit answered. How Chit has become Jiva. Lord Shiva was to answer, but Vasishtha interrupted and asked the other question. So now the one question is still remaining. Now the third question is coming. Let us see.
यदि सर्वगता देव चिदस्ते का तदात्मकः तदयं चावनिस्फार मया देव न चेतति.
Maya is one word. Otherwise the Maya गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. There is no Maya. Maya means what? By me. There is no Maya there. Andha Maya is the one word. At such things are better go straight away. Tadayam chavanisparam devana chetati. Like okay.
अन्वय देव यदि सर्वगता एका चित् एव अस्ति तदात्मकः अयं च चावनिस्फारमयान्धेव
च अवनिस्फारमय अंध इव अंधा इव चित् अंधा
च अवनिस्फारमया अंधा इव न चेतति. अगेन देव यदि सर्वगता एका चित् एव अस्ति तदात्मकः अयं च अवनिस्फारमया अंधा इव न चेतति.
देव, O Lord Bhagavan, यदि सर्वगता एका चित् अस्ति. If chit is of such nature, what is it? Sarvagata, sarvavyapi, all pervasive. Eka, eka means advitiya, without the second. Eka, advitiya. What does it mean? Eka means there is nothing other than chit. Everything is nothing but chit and chit alone. Chit asti, tada asti, tada means tarhi. See? So tada, how come this? Tadatmakaha ayam. Ayam stands for this. This means this deha. This body of ours. Tadatmakaha. Tat swarupaha. What is that tat? Chidatmakaha. Everything is chit. There is nothing other than chit. Therefore body also must be what? Chit swarupa only. So is that tadatmakaha, that is the chit swarupa, chidatmakaha, ayam deha cha avanispharamaya maya andha iva na chetati. How is that? Say, if deha is chidatmaka, deha must be jada or sachetana? Sachetana. But how come this body, he says, avanispharamaya, this body, avanispharamaya means, avani is earth. Avanispharamaya means like the mud. How the mud is inert, so also this. Avanispharamaya means, yes, avanispharamaya here is prachurya. Our body is predominantly made up of earth content. Prithvi content is more in our body. For example, the flesh, bones, all these are what? Earth content. Minerals are there. Bones etc. are minerals. They are what? Earth content only. They say heavenly embodiments are fire content. So the Patala embodiments are predominantly water content. Somebody told me Gandharva's embodiment had Vayu content more. Gandharva's embodiments are more Vayu content. Means predominant. Every body has got Panchamahabhutas. But there is predominance. That's why the Deva's bodies have got luster. That's why fire content is more. Don't think they will need more air conditioner for Not that way. Because that is the very nature as such. So that is the very nature as such. Avanisharamaya means this body which is predominantly made up of earth content. Mud means here is earth content. Andha iva. Andha iva, just as a blind person is not able to see, means inert. Here what is meant is inert. So andha iva, as the inert. So andha means, so na chetati, doesn't respond, doesn't perceive, is not alive. It is not alive. Because chit means what? Life principle must be there. Sachetanata must be there. But this body is inert. How is that? Katham, you have to add there. Katat katham. Add past tense. Na chetati. Chetati means doesn't live as sachetana, or it doesn't perceive, it doesn't respond to the world. How is that? Shiva may ask, who told you all these things? Who told you? Abala Vruddha, no. Universally everyone? No. The body, when born is what? Sachetana. When dead is what? Inner. Everyone knows. This universal experience, he clarifies.
Ayam chit pavan, ayam chit pav, ayam chitvan pura bhutva, ayam chitvan pura bhutva, chiddhina sampratisthitah,
Chiddhina sampratisthitah,
chiddhina sampratisthitah, iti yam kalpana loke, pratyakshanubhava katham. Anvaya. Ayam pura chitvan bhutva samprati chiddhinaha sthitaha. Iti iyam kalpana loke katham pratyakshanubhava. Again, ayam pura chitvan bhutva samprati chiddhinaha sthitaha. Iti iyam kalpana loke katham pratyakshanubhava.
Same question that was asked is reframed to clarify what he wants to. The same question is the same, but he has put in a different words to make it very clear further. Ayam means this deha, this body. Pura, earlier means at the time of birth. Birth and when the person is alive. Chitvan bhutva. What is the chitvan? That one is Matu Pratyaya, Bhagavan, Dhanavan, Hanuman, Buddhiman. That means being endowed with Chit. So being nothing but Chaitanya, Satetana. Chitva means being Satetana, Bhutva being so earlier. Samprati, now means when the person is dead. When the person is dead. Chiddhinaha sthitaha. It remains what? Chiddhina means inert. A dead body is certainly inert. Chiddhina sthitaha. Iti iyam kalpana. This concept or this understanding is what loke in the entire world says katham pratyakshanubhava. How everyone experiences universally. Everyone experiences. My child also almost everyone knows that. How is it? Everything is Chitvan. There should not be anything inert. Let us not go anywhere as Adrishya. Take the body itself. Earlier Sachetana, now it is Jada Achetana. How come everything is Chit, you say? So this is the question. In short, if everything is Chit, how Jada things including the body are available? That is the question. Lord Shiva answers.
Ishvara uvacha Shurve tadakhilam brahman Yada prushtam vadami te Mahanayam tvaya prashnaha Kruto brahma vidambara Brahman yada prushtam, those two words are to be joined. Brahmanya da prushtam.
Brahman yad aprushtam. That way it is. Brahman, the Sandhi is like this. Brahman yad aprushtam. Sandhi breaking like that. There is no Brahmani. Brahman yad aprushtam. Now like Brahman yad etad akhilam aprushtam te vadami shunu. Brahman yad etad akhilam aprushtam te vadami shunu.
Continuing. Brahma vidam vara tvaya ayam Mahan prashnaha krutaha. Anvaya once again. Brahman yad aprushtam. Brahman yad etad akhilam aprushtam. Te vadami shunu. Brahma vidam vara tvaya ayam mahan prashnaha krutaha.
Brahman, O Brahmana, Vashishta, Sambodhana it is. Brahman. Yad etad akhilam aprushtam. All that you have asked for. You know why etad akhilam? One question is still remaining there. Not only this question you have asked now, but including the earlier question, means Lord Shiva clubs now both the questions together. Yad et akhilam, that is, so including what we have asked, et akhilam. Aprishtam means what you have asked for. Te vadani, I am going to answer, I am going to answer your question. Shunu, please listen attentively. Brahma Vidambara, he compliments him for asking the question. Brahma Vidambara, Brahma Vidam here means Veda Vidambara. So Brahma Vidambara, or Veda Vidambara, or Saguna Brahma Vidambara. So Saguna, Upasana, Dasananda, Saguna. Why not Brahma Vidambara? So the Jnani, he won't ask the question. He won't ask the question. He has got doubt, but still thoda kuch baki hai. So that's Veda Vidambara or Saguna Brahma Vidambara. So Sreshta, Maharaji Sreshta. Tvaya ayam mahan prashnaha krita. This question you have made is what? Mahan Krishna, big $1 million question. In course of time it is million rupees question. डॉलर रेट नीचे जाएगा, रुपये का वैल्यू ऊपर जाएगा. million rupees question. There is a forecast. 1 rupee is going to be equal to $1. Maybe some years it will take. It is that. Now presently it is hiking is a manipulated. There are fools who are wanting to purchase the dollars and therefore the rupee value is going down because everyone says that is it. Means for more rupee $1 there. They're talking for more rupee. They are giving $1 from here, India. That's why it is the rupee value is falling down anyway. But they say 1 rupee is going to be $1. Therefore, it's all to come. Million rupee question. So it says, Ayam Mahan Krishna. You asked a very great question. Means he compliments him. What you have asked is the right thing, yes sir. That question is bound to come. The question is bound to come. Okay. So now, what is going to be told as the prelude to that, as an introduction to that, now Lord Shiva is telling. Continue.
Chidasti sharireha sarvabhutamayatmika chalonmukhatmikaikatu nirvikalpa parasmruta. Sandhi sharireha is equal to sharira iha. Sandhi sharira iha. Anvaya iha sarvabhutamayatmika chalonmukhatmika शरीरा ही एका चित अस्ति परा ऐसा परा तु निर्विकल्पा स्मृता. Again, इह सर्वभूतमयात्मिका चलोन्मुखात्मिका शरीरा ही एका चित अस्ति ऐसा परा तु निर्विकल्पा स्मृता.
Introducing the topic or the prelude to the answer, first he tells, look, in this body there are twofold chits. Two types of chits. Achha? Everything is chit. Now slowly two types of chit came. No, not that way. It's two types. Only one, but available in two ways. How? One is bimba, other is pratibimba. Sun is one, but sun, bimba, reflection, pratibimba. So therefore, not that actual two chips are there, only one chip. But one is the original one, bimba, the thing in origin, originally, and other is its reflection, pratibimba, chidabhasa. So that is what is now being told. Iha means in this body, sharire. But that sharira different, sharira. One who has got that sharira, the feminine adjective. So iha, in this body, sarva bhutamayatmika chalonmukhatmika, of such nature. What of such nature? Sarvabhutamayatmika, the one which is the nature of the Swarupa of all the beings, and which is Chalonmukhatmika. What is Chalonmukhatmika? Chalayam Unmukhatmika. It has to be split, some samasa has to be split like that. Chalayam Unmukhatmika. What is chalayam? Veshti samashti buddhav. That what is chala? That which is on the move, that which always changes. So, in the chala, in the individual buddhi, Veshti buddhi, in the samashti buddhi, Hiranyagarbha, in both are always on the change as such. This Veshti samashti buddhi, see what is that? Unmukhatmika. Unmukhatmika means asakta swabhava. Asakta swabhava means totally interested, means identified, which we call as Vijnanamaya Kosha. Not Vijnanamaya Kosha, the Chaitanya available in the Vijnanamaya Kosha. Chidabhasa. So Chidabhasa. So which is called Vijnanamaya, and therefore what it has got? Kartrutva, Bhoktrutva features are there. One chit is what? Which is the nature of entire Jagat, available where? In the Buddhi. Which Buddhi? Individual Buddhi, total Buddhi. Individual Buddhi is okay. Total Buddhi is what? Hiranyagarbha. And which is Chalatmika. So Chalonmukhatmika. So Eka. So that is, whose nature is what now? Pratibimba Rupa Kalpita. Really it is not its true nature. It is Pratibimba, what we call simply, we know familiar as Chidabhasa. What we are familiar as what? Chidabhasa, reflection of Chaitanya in the individual Antakarna and the total Antakarna. So that is Eka, which is Pratibimba Rupa, which is Kalpita, falsely projected. So that is one, Eka. Chid Asti. See, first he has started from where? Chidabhasa. But when you say Chidabhasa, Abhasa is what original one, Bimba must be there. If you see your face in the mirror, you have got the face. Otherwise then it won't be there. That Pratibimba should have a Bimba, original thing. So therefore it says Sa, whereas that is Sa too. Whereas that Pratidapnika, that is a Pratibimba, which is available in the individual and total Buddhi Antakarna, says Sa, says Para tu. Tu means tu here is contrast with the Pratibimba, Chidabhasa. Because Chidabhasa is endowed with all Upadhi features. Well, but this is Para. Para means it is Swagata, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Bheda Rahita, Aparichinna. So that is, it is free from all the Upadhi, and therefore it is Nirvikal Para. Para means Desha Parichinata is not there, Kala Parichinata is not there, Vastu Parichinata is not there, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata, Bheda are not there, Advitiya, which is there is nothing in there, therefore it is called Nirvikalpa Smrita. Nirvikalpa Smrita. It is what Smrita here means Jnata. Generally Smrita means it is remembered with it. Remember? Smru, to remember. But Smru also means to know. You know, Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhana Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena. That Smarana, what you remember, that you know. It is not Japa only. Vishnu, 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 that's Japa. Smarana, that Smarana means Jnanena. Yasya Jnanamatrena Janma Samsara Bandhana Vimuchyate Tasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Namaha. So that's a Smarana. Smru also means to Jnana. You have to see the context. Smrta, Jnata. So that means what happened now? Chit is one, but it is available both in its original nature as the Chidabhasa. In that it is. Now everything must be clear. Though Chit is everywhere, Sachetanata is where Chidabhasa is there. And though Chit is everywhere, where Chidabhasa is not, where Chit is not cognized. Now where Chidabhasa will be there? Vyashti, Samashti, Buddhi is Antakarana. Okay, answer will be again. That's all. It will be very elaborately told now. That is the answer. As a twofold Chit. Chit cannot be twofold. Chit is one. But for practical purpose, on account of presence and absence of the Buddhi, either individual or total. So, original Chit, Bimba and Chit Pratibimba, these two are available. So therefore, where Buddhi, either of these is there, Chit Pratibimba is there, that Chaitanya is experienced or cognized, otherwise is what? Do you know why? Chit is asanga. It has no connection whatsoever with anything that is superimposed on that. It's just like our light. Now the sun has risen, let us say. There is no clouds at all in the sky. Everything is bright and brilliant. Between the sun and the earth, everywhere light is there or not?
Yes.
Are you able to see?
No.
No. Suppose one point, aeroplane passes. Light is seen. You can't say some light is not there. Means bare light cannot be seen. Reflected light is seen. Aeroplane came, their light was there, but earlier you could not see. When the aeroplane came on the surface, the light got reflected and you could see. So likewise, direct Chit is not available for cognition as Chit. It is there, but when the Chidabhasa is there, it is available for cognition. So that is why, so what makes the Jada and Sachetana difference? Presence and absence of the Buddhi, Antakarana, as a result, Chidabhasa. So that means the Chit available as Sachetana and Achetana is on account of what? Buddhi. Buddhi means Upadhi. Likewise, Chit appearing differently in a diverse way is also because of Upadhi. See, that is the nature, Bheda. That is Bheda. See, if Chit is one, everything must be Chit. But we find innumerable things. That Veda also is because of this. Nirvikalpa, there in the 67, means Veda Rahita. Vikalpa also means Veda. Veda Rahita means it is one and the same. Yet, how Veda is seen, that is also on account of Upadhi. Continue.
Sankalpa buddha taivantaha स्वयमन्येव संस्थिता संकल्पितेतरवरा सौशील्यं श्रीयथागता अन्वय संकल्प बुद्धा सा एव अंतः स्वयं अन्या इव संस्थिता
being continued.
Sure.